The beauty of your face is light, the beauty of your waist is bright. The one we love, Mөлmölүm, let songs make known your charm tonight. Your two lips like a crimson flower just blooming fresh. One single glance, my heart's on fire like lightning flash. Your hair upon your shining brow flows down like silk. Your love is like a child's pure wish, so soft and deep. You're precious like the rice of Irdın, so rich and rare. Your form like silver shaped by masters too fine and fair. Bettin ırkı nur menen, geldin ırkı kur menen. İstügün sulu mölmölüm, belgilүү bolsun ır menen. Ekilebin kızıl gül açılganday mölmölüm. Bir karasam жүрөгкө çakılganday mölmölüm. Mangday çeçin margalan çibegindey mölmölüm. Senin ışkın balanın tilegindey mölmölüm. Ötündüysün özgöndün gürüçündey mölmölüm. Sozulganın zirgerdin gümüşündey mölmölüm. Your gentleness turn all the deserts of my heart. Mölmölüm, I burn for you, my gentle one. Mölmölüm, I search for you through night and day and called your name. Your quiet steps, your fragrant trace like scented beads. Mölmölüm, each step you take leaves spice behind a trail so sweet. Mölmölüm, if once your beauty touches me, in love I burn. Mölmölüm, if you are kind and take my hand, a crying soul. You're sweet like rice from fertile land, like silver shaped by careful hand. Your softness like a pacing steed, so smooth, so light in every deed. Turn deserts in my heart so dry to blooming gardens reaching high. I burn for you, Mölmölüm, I know soul like yours and all mankind. I search for you through night and day and called your name along the way. Your gentle steps, your fragrant air like spice that lingers everywhere. If once your beauty touches me, I burn in love so endlessly. If you are kind and hear my plea, a lonely soul cries out to thee. Is this my fate that's written so? I couldn't know, Mölmölüm. Yet still my heart ignores it all and longs for you. If once you'd show yourself to me, like moon through clouds.